All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a ratchet with an 8mm socket. Firstly, turn off and eliminate all power to your washing machine. We need to gain access to the back of the washing machine, so remove all of the screws and take off the back cover. Before removing any wires, we recommend taking a photo of the existing wire layout. The bottom of your washing machine might be sharp, so lay down an old jumper or a towel to stop any nasty cuts and gently unclip all of the wiring. With your ratchet, unscrew the nut and loosen it, then remove the old heating element from the washing machine. If yours is old and difficult to remove, you might need to pry it away with a flathead screwdriver. With your new heating element, insert it in the same way as before. Tighten up the nut and the rubber seal will clamp to the washing machine. You can then add all of the wiring as before. Use the photo you took earlier if you need a reference of where each wire goes. Add the rear cover to the washing machine and re-screw the screws back in place. And then that's it. The new heating element for your washing machine is all set to go.